Hello everyone, welcome to this live stream. I'm teacher Erika, and today we'll talk about imperatives. Just before we get started and while everyone gets here, just some reminders. Follow us on our YouTube channel, on YouTube, Melhore Seu Inglês. Follow our podcast, we have a podcast, Melhore Seu Inglês. Follow us here on Instagram, Melhore Seu Inglês. Did you notice we changed the picture today? So how cute is that? Newton did that. Hello, Javi. Hello, everyone. Hello. Delu, Ana Cristina, Jove. How are you doing today on this fine holiday afternoon, 15th of November? So these are the reminders, okay? Follow us on YouTube, follow our podcast, follow our Instagram account, and you can also follow my personal Twitter account, which is ÉRIKA de Padua, and I have started using it again after many years, and I think I have a plan for next year. I'm going to use Twitter and experiment with that and see how much I can learn, how many languages, how much I can learn next year using Twitter a lot. I am already using Twitter a lot to learn languages, and recently I've been using it to practice Italian, and it's formidable, fantastic. I'm totally in love with it. Anyway, let's get started. Today will be a very, very short live. We'll talk about imperatives, and imperatives are very easy, very simple. I guess you guys already know how to use it, right? Hello, Paulo. Hello, Kleber. It's chilling today. Where are you? Here it's kind of warm, not really cold. It's raining, but not really cold. Imperatives. So we use imperatives to give commands and to make requests. So to give commands, to tell someone to do something, to make requests, to ask someone to do something, but also to give warnings, to alert someone of something, or to give directions, instructions. So these are basically the common situations in which we use the imperative. How do we form the imperative? It's so simple. Just take the base form of the verb and start your sentence with that. Okay, so infinitive without to. If you want to add some urgency to your request, to your warning, add an exclamation mark. Okay, and then people will know that it's urgent. Okay, so if I tell you stop, you can visualize that exclamation mark at the end, stop. So base form of the verb, no to, infinitive without to, exclamation mark. That's it. Simple. Yeah? So examples. Get up. Get up. Eat your breakfast. Eat your breakfast. Be careful. Be careful. Help. Help. Give that to me. Give that to me. And read this book. Read this book. If you guys want to give some examples, if you want to help with some examples using the imperative, feel free to do it. It's easy. Okay? So if you want to tell someone to do something, you use the affirmative form. But if you want to tell people not to do something, how do you do that? You add don't or do not at the beginning of the imperative, of the warning, the request, the command. So don't do that or do not do that. That's imperative, negative. Okay? So do not turn right or don't turn right. Don't turn right. Some other examples. Don't eat that cake. Don't eat that cake. Don't rush. Don't rush. I'm not in a hurry. Do not rush. I've just painted that door. Don't touch it. I've just painted that door. Do not touch it. Don't sit there. That chair is broken. Don't sit there. That chair is broken. Subjects with imperative. So you notice that up to this point, I've given examples without subject. So imperative sentences do not usually have a subject, but sometimes you can add a subject there to make clear who you're talking to. Hello, Mibson Cordeiro. Hello, everyone. Hello, Flávia, Luis, Ana, everyone. So you can say for something like that, for example, everybody sit down. Everybody sit down. I'm talking to all of you, okay? Not just one person. Other examples, Philip, come here. So you can say the name of the person you're talking to. Philip, come here. You stay here. You stay here, okay? So you here is being used for emphasis, You can just say stay here if it's not ambiguous, okay? Someone open the window. Someone open the window. I'm asking someone to open the window. Have fun and I'm telling Anne to have fun. So now let's talk about polite requests, because usually when we say things like come here, read this book, eat that, do that, it can sound sometimes, depending on the context, it can sound a little rude, a little impolite. So if you want to make it polite, what do? You add please. One of the ways to make it polite is adding please, either at the beginning or at the end, okay? So, right, the first one with please close the door, okay? Please close the door, please open the window, please stand up, please wash the dishes, please do the laundry, please take the garbage outside. But you can also use just, the word just, to minimize, to mitigate the, the strength of the order I'm giving you. So just give me a minute, please. So I'm using please and I'm using just. Instead of saying give me a minute, okay? Give me a minute. It can sound very rude. You add please at the end. Give me a minute, please. And to make it even better sounding, you can say just give me a minute, please. Okay? And something else that you can do is to use do. Because in the negative, we use don't, do not. Don't go there, right? But you can say do go there. Do go there. To actually make it more formal. You can make a request more formal by using do at the beginning, all right? Finally, we'll talk about let's. I don't think it's possible to use let's in an interrogative sentence. It's not. Let's is used to make a suggestion for an activity that includes the speaker, includes myself. So let's, it's a suggestion. So it should have a period, un ponto, at the end. Okay, let's do something. It's not let's do something. Let's do something. Let's go. No, it's not a question. Okay, we don't use let's in questions. We use it in affirmatives, declaratives. So it's sunny today. Let's go out. It's a suggestion. It's an idea. Let's go out. It's sunny today. Let's go out. Or it's cold. It's cold today. Let's not go out. Period. It's not a question. It's cold today. Let's not go out. Okay, so not goes after let's. Let's not do this. Let's not do that. Let's not close the door. Let's not open the window. Okay, those are ways to make suggestions. And with that, making it less intense, less bossy. Okay, that's how imperatives can sound many times, like as if you were being bossy. All right, so that's it for today. Short and sweet. If you guys have any questions, let us know. I hope you're enjoying the quizzes now. And that's it for today. Next time, we'll probably talk about the past simple. It's a review of the past simple. Take care, have a great weekend, a great holiday, and until next time, bye-bye.